Dr. Mukul sangma no elam gelem persia aing dorba tho aing jela ulong bayakas ke MLA ke belatip kum ke special rural work program ke klem pat ai syak MLA haduh mynta. Ulong bau klem yo kano ka sithi banong ba unpa ek skhim ula keliru wat lagi para MLA ya kane. Habakran hekilap thai kubor ha ka spotrik lalongkot arajar pun riu hasilom pros club. Ulong ba kam paju jia ha ka khana pateng ke jela meklia nadu balas dang ya kane ka skhim ha ka por jinglong Menteri rang ba kejela ba bibi lengdo bam kuai haduh blay. Dr. Mukul bodeiru Menteri rang ba barim kejela long ba hadin ba kayeng dorbar kelap pedang ya kamang teka kitnat sarkar ki badai kin pentip syakinom hikmat bat halor kata ka sithi kin penkhe ek skim bat kin pha sya ka sarkar kane ka sarkar kam semlale kumta ya ka jingalang ke bedai ba ka MLA skim ka sarkar kadang syom jingalang ha ka khatsan tring no pra 8,000 But pa yakasti sya director ketenap penroy kendong. But director pa yakasti sya deputy commissioner. But deputy commissioner kin pa sya MLA ban penkre yakaskim. Sya gendong kapor khat khnai tarik no pra 8,000 ki office baro kelakang.
So-called certain local area development fund for the MLAs. SRWP. He initiated this. And this was also adopted by Parliament as a local area development for MPs. Since then, since the time when Led Bibi Lingdo started this program, till date, nowhere in the history of Meghalaya, SRWP has not been released. It has never happened. This is the first time. And in fact, I was asking the MLAs, have the government failed to send letters to the MLAs? I have not received letter to submit special rural works program till date. So I asked my colleague members of the house. They said we also haven't received. Then somebody said, but we heard that somebody has received. Have they issued these letters also selectively? Now, once budget is passed, one allocation is indicated to the department. Department will always write letters and inform the department, and in the letter, in the information, they will reflect the allocation, based on which the schemes are prepared and submitted. But this government has failed to do so. And government funds are being used whimsically. You have a meeting on 15 December, then 16 December you send a letter to the director, then 17 you send it to the DC, and then 18 is holiday, 19 you have the last office, and is to the BDO. BDO will have to submit this to the DC. Then DC will release the fund. Where is the time?